Every other function we've looked at to this point has had the variable as a base and the exponent as a number. For example, something like 2x to the third minus 2x squared minus 1, we know from our study of graphs, because the exponent is odd, the hands will go in opposite directions, and because the a value out front is positive, the right hand will go up, so the graph's going to look something like this. Again, the base is a variable and the exponent is a value. We also have learned how to shift graphs from a parent graph. So for example, if we had something like x minus 4 cubed plus 2, we know this basic cubic graph is going to shift to the right 4, and it's going to shift up 2. Now we're going to begin to look at something called exponential functions, where the number is now the base and the variable is the exponent. By definition, an exponential function tells us that we let a be a fixed, positive, real number not equal to 1. We then define this exponential function to be f of x. We can again think of that as y, as a to the x power. Notice here that a has to be between 0 and 1, but not equal to either of those, or a can be greater than 1. That a has to be positive because notice if we were to allow a to be, say, negative 1/2, then if we had something like negative 1/2 squared, we can solve that. We get a positive 1/4. But if we do negative 1/2 to the 1/2 power, remember to the 1/2 power is the same thing as the square root. And we know that we cannot take the square root of a negative number and get a real answer.